Good morning, everyone. I am Shreys V of class F section CSCCY department GM University. We are here to represent the Python programming first assignment, namely sensor data processor unit using string manipulation and dynamic data structures. Our team members are Atharva, Pawan, and Rakesh. We are from Group 6. Now I am introducing about the topic. In today's world, data driven sensors and integral systems that monitor the environment, industries, processes, health, and more. These sensors are often raw data streams in form of strings, compact, often delayed sequences containing values such as temperature, pressure, location, etc. Sensor data process is required, which must have extract clean, organized data using string manipulation techniques and store data in dynamic data structures like lists, dictionaries, or queues for real-time analysis, visualization, or storage. This is combination of techniques is essential for application in Internet of Things, smart devices, and many other systems like live sensor integration. And next, I am going to explain about the problem statement which we are used in this project. The task is to praise this string to extract sensor names and values. Means the sensors and values used in this code are being expressed dynamically stored. This is dynamically stores this unit using a list if values are to be modified or tuple if values are remained unchanged. As we all know that tuples are immutable that are unchanged. In list we can modify the elements or the list which is mutable. Next is perform specific operations like modifying sensors values, printing average, or displaying data immutably. Like it helps in doing sensor values printing and taking out the average and displaying data which can be changed, delete, or can be added. And the next part is objective and tools of technologies used, which is been explained by my teammate Atharva.
Hello guys, I am Atharva from App section. As we all know, the objective of this assignment is to develop a Python program that processes sensors data by extracting and interpreting values from strings. The program should dynamically decide whether to use a list or a tuple for further operations depending on whether modifications are needed. So the tools and technologies we are going to use is the language is Python. The tools we are using is VS Code, Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, and libraries is standardly mentioned. The next topic is code implementation, which is going to be said by my partner Pawan.
Hello guys, my name is Pawan. I covering today code implementation. First, function one. We are using function one in first underscore sensor data in str. The function takes a string containing sensor data. For example, temperature is 25.5 and humidity is 60 and converts it into a list of tuples. Tuple means table rows. Next, data data strings dot slipped removes leading trailing spaces and splits the string by semicolon to get a individual sensor readings. Next, looping. Each each item is further split by into a name and values. Next, results. Returns a list like temperature 25.5, humidity is 60.60. Second function we are using display underscore data displays the sensor readings in a formatted way. Next, in, iterates through the data list of tuples and prints each sensor and its values. Next, third function we are using get underscore average data. Calc- uh, get underscore average data is used to calculate the average of all sensor values. It uses list comparison to extract values and computes the average. Next, main function is using takes input, asks the user for a sensor data string. Faces is used. Face underscore sensor underscore data asks if the user wants to modify any readings. If the user choose yes, if choose is equal to yes, we are using in code. If the user chooses the yes, it converts the data to a mutable list, gets sensor name and new value from user. Next, searches and replaces the values for the sensors. Next, displays modified data and its average. Next, if we choose no, it converts the data to a immutable tuple just for demonstration. Next, display the original sensor and data its average. The next topic is covered by my friend is Rakesh Jain.
Hello guys, uh, I am Rajesh from F section. Today, explain sample input and output test case on if modify yes, if modify yes, output is mutable. If modify no, sensor data is immutable. The conclusion string parsing technique is the difference between mutable or list and immutable or tuple data structures. Real world application in sensor data processing. Future improvements may include error handling and the graphical user interface support, references, Python documentation, the WT tools Python tutorial. This for these string methods. Next topic, tip and explain about my partner Shreyas.
Hello everyone. Core concepts used in this code are string manipulation and dynamic data structures. Meanwhile, string manipulation refers to praising delimed structures of sensor, extracting key value pairs, handling units and conservations if needed. And the dynamic dictionaries are dictionaries, lists, queues, and dequeues. In dictionaries, stored praised data in each sensor reading. In list, there are used keep the history of sensor data. In queues for a real-time streaming data are used in this code. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.